My name is Tanish Aprali, and today for this project I have made firefighting drone, as you can see here, FFD in short form. As you can see, this is the drone here, and let's discuss about the functions. So this drone flies automatically and drops a fire extinguisher ball. The fire extinguisher ball is made of carbon powder and a small explosive which does not ignite any fire. So when it drops, the small explosive explodes and the carbon powder spreads everywhere. From this system, it extinguishes the fire. So this is the basic working of this drone. Let us see the components of this drone. So the components of this drone is BLDC 1800 kV motor, 8 by 4.5 inch propeller, Arduino. I have used an Arduino as the flight controller. So Arduino Uno and a receiver. The transmitter here, as you can see, this is a 6-channel transmitter, and for the main part, MPU6050. It's a gyroscope and accelerometer with 6-way axis, and this can use to auto level the aircraft. As you can see, if the drone goes in this way, this motor speeds up and it levels it. We can further implement this by adding a Raspberry Pi to process images, and we can make an autonomous drone. So this is the basic working of this drone. Thank you. We can add